Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make pizza for my father. Let's start. To make this you need Szechuan chutney, vegetables, cheese cube and pizza base and a microwave. First I'm going to put Szechuan chutney on it. And this is healthy wheat paste. And now I'm going to apply using the spoon. Add a little more. And apply. You can use pizza sauce also. And now take the cheese cube and make small pieces of it. I'm going First you should put a little bit. You can also use butter. And now I am adding onion first. Carrots. And tomato. And mushroom. And even baby corn. Then it's done. Now again I'm going to grate this cheese cube. You add the triple amount this time. Microwave, and I have already put a stand inside it. And now keep the pizza on the stand, and I am going to select pizza only. You can also bake it for 7 minutes 30 seconds. Now it's ready. Bake it using the microwave gloves. And the pizza is ready. Now pizza is ready. And the cake is also ready, and the pani puri is also ready, which I am going to finish.